monstrosity you call the automobile will never replace the family horse. Flying is an unnatural dream that will never become mainstream. It is physically impossible for a human to break the 4-minute mile.
Roger Bannister became the first man in the world to fly
Humans will never land on the moon, and to think so is to believe in science fiction.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Digital photography will never give you the image quality as developed film. It is nothing more than a gimmick. Milling will never give you the fits that you could achieve with casting and pressing. 3D printing will never match the aesthetics of porcelain, and they're nothing more than Halloween teeth.
Michael Jackson.
Digital impressions will never give you the same results as physical impressions. 3D printing will never replace milling for same-day restoration. We will never be able to achieve passive fits with digital workflows for large All-in-X prosthetics. Ignore the naysayers. There has never been a better time than right now to be a dentist. You are the future of dentistry.